How is your acting career going? And I emphasize the word going, as in go, as in moving, as in progressing step by step each and every day. Because if you're not moving, you're dying. What I said, if you're not moving, you're dying. Stay tuned. Kermit! If you ignore your dream, wait a minute, let me reverse that. If you feed your dream, it will grow gargantuan. Let's start on a positive note. If you study and do your research and audition and do things whether or not you feel like it every single day, i.e. you kick your own ass, you will have a multi-million-dollar, well, you'll be very well off as an actor. Because what is the difference between famous actors and you, if you're not famous as yet? It is discipline and focus. Discipline and focus. Oh, and not giving in to your emotion. Now, a word on emotion. Because of the very nature of acting, we embrace someone else's emotion. This is why there are so many different acting techniques. Because while you may be a great actor, your life is an emotional roller coaster at times, isn't it? Mine is. So you are working with your own emotions, and then all of a sudden you have this great part that you're auditioning for, or you landed the role, and guess what? You have to embrace another person's emotions, a fictional character, if you will. So you have your emotions and the character's emotions. So with that, I sympathize and I empathize with you, because your emotions are pure energy. That's what they are. Just like I'm moving right now, energy. However, if you sit back and you say, well, you know, I got my own problems. I mean, I know I'm an actor and all, but I have so much going on in my life. It's so hard to get up. It's so hard to even move. And this is why, as an actor, you must be active. Active in your own life, not in your own head. I'm going to say that again because it's really important. As an actor, actress, you must be active in your life, not just in your head. If you stay in your head, you're dead. As an actor and an artist, you must daily challenge yourself, because we are very susceptible, more than the average Joe or Josephine. I say respectfully, we are more prone to be depressed or elated or anywhere in between. This can lead to different health problems, both mental, emotional, and physical. You and I, we are a different cut of cloth. And the sooner you recognize that, the better. And here's one more thing. If you ignore your passion, it will kill you. It'll turn in on you. I've had that happen. You place yourself in the mundane, everyday occurrences of life. It's like putting a square peg in a round hole. You're not gonna do it. So the best advice I can give you is this. Surround yourself with creative people, people that think like you and support you. If nothing else, appreciate you. Every day, every single solitary day, do something creative. Feed that passion. Actually, it's more important than your daily work, than your daily grind. God gave everyone a purpose in life. If you're creative, if you're an actor, a painter, an artist of any type, that's your purpose. You need to walk it out before you run out of steps. If you need a coach, I may be the one for you. DavidThompsonCoaching.co, DavidThompsonCoaching.co. Like, subscribe, and share this video. And remember, feed your passion or it'll eat you up.